pre-fader effects. Use a pre-fader send if you want your effects to stay at a consistent level, independent from the dry signal. So in this project here, I have a loop on channel 1, and then on return channel A, I have a Valhalla vintage reverb. Now, over here on the master channel, you can determine whether your send effect is post or pre-fader. So I've changed A to pre-fade, and then I'm going to increase the send amount up to the maximum here. Now, if I play this loop, you'll hear that it's being played with a reverb on top of it. Usually what will happen if you're in post fade, which is the default, as you turn that fader down, you'll lose the dry signal and the wet signal. So let's just listen to that quickly. But when you adjust the send type to pre-fade, then this send effect is independent from the dry signal. So as I turn the dry signal down, we will still hear the wet affected signal. So let's just listen to that. And that's how you can use a pre-fader send if you want your effects to stay at a consistent level, independent from your dry signal. We were wondering, how could you use pre-fader sends creatively in a mix? Please share your thoughts or techniques or results with us in the comments. Thanks for watching.